love bugs, how are you? This is Katie Hanson here, wanting to make another video for you. So, let's get down to it of what video I am making. It is kind of like a do-it-yourself, reinventing a lamp. Backstory of what happened. My lamp broke. Here's the culprit. This little guy went ahead and smashed my lamp, my favorite lamp, one of my favorite lamps. It was in a pair. So I was sleeping on the couch over there. He got upset because he wasn't getting the amount of attention that he needed and requires from day to day. And he went ahead and smashed my lamp. So basically what happened is he knocked it off onto the tile floor, completely shattered. And now he's just disrespecting everyone. So what happened essentially is this isn't even the first time he's done it. He likes to knock off lamps off of tabletops, and this one just happened to shatter on tile. A beautiful one-of-a-kind lamp, very expensive. I've had them since I was 19. It was a gift from my mom when she was redecorating my room, and I absolutely love them. So I went ahead and looked online to see if I could find a replacement. I couldn't. The company that made them went out of business. They don't make them. They don't even have them for sale anymore. Found a bunch of just like pictures of it at places it used to be sold. Kmart, Walmart, Amazon, Wayfair, all these different places, and completely gone. Checked eBay, not there. Everywhere I looked, not there. Basically, this is what the lamp used to look like. Now, this is what the lamp looks like. I glued it back together with Gorilla Glue, by the way. So, as you can see, all sorts of So, completely screwed up. It's done. It's dead. It's gone. It doesn't look too terribly bad. It could definitely look worse. It still works. So I'm not getting rid of it, because I'm gonna go ahead, and I was looking up different ideas online, and I'm making the whole house like a nautical theme. So I was like, why not make it a nautical theme with everything else? So what I'm going to do with said lamp, since it is completely defeated and Gorilla Glued together, and Shammy looks at it like he knows he did something wrong. Like he knew the second he did something wrong. And I'm gonna take this and wrap it around it like it's kind of a nautical theme. Also went over and got some glue sticks, except for a hot glue gun from China that I got from Amazon. I've never done this before, ever. So I don't know if this is even going to look good or if it's something that could be done ever again. But we're gonna try. I'm not going to glue the ceramic itself. I'm going to just glue this bad boy. All right, we have our glue gun set up. We have our twine all untwined. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start wrapping it around. Like, best thing I can do is just, start. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this as tight as possible. Don't really know what I can do. Thank you, Sham, for providing me with this experimentation in the laboratory, I like to call the kitchen. You're pretty happy with yourself, aren't you? So the one thing that's gonna be tough is get away from. I don't even know if that's toxic for you. I don't even know if this is gonna work out on the base that well, because it's still gotta stand. So actually what I might do is do its own separate thing, like at the end, and then make the base where I start off, like over the wire in the back. So you can see like in the back, the wire is like super low. So I may just make that go over the wire. There. This is not gonna work. Okay, so 2 sticks of glue. Hot glue, hot glue, hot diggity dog. Okay. I just don't want to like, it's already ruined. And in my mind, I'm like, I don't want to ruin it. Glue stick in here. This thing sucks. There we go. More glue on. As always, you dumb bitch. Don't you dare! Oh my god. I think you guys get the gist of what this is. I'm gonna turn off the camera now to save battery and your sanity of watching this, and I will go ahead and turn it back on when I'm done. Okay, everybody, welcome back. I finally finished after doing this seriously for like an hour, just wrapping twine around, and it was tedious. I actually ran out of twine, so I have to get another spool for like 2 more layers here, but otherwise I think it turned out really well, so just ignore this part, just because that will be getting covered. But aside from that, I mean, it turned out really well. I really do like it. It's nice. Very, very kitschy. So yeah, I'm proud of it. It looks good. Just ignore this part right here, but it'll look really good. So it has that nautical theme to it. The hot glue, I kind of figured it out as I was going, and it did turn out okay. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna get another spool just to do like the 2 layers up here, but otherwise, I think it turned out well, and I think it's going to be okay, and you know, you'll never see those cracks ever again. Nobody's gonna know it's there. So, moral of the story, lesson learned, if you bought something, maybe it breaks, just try to think outside the box. You might be able to cover it up and fix it so you don't have to waste money. So the twine itself cost me $9, and then the hot glue here cost me like $7, and this hot glue gun was probably 50 cents with how bad it was, but really, it's really nice. It looks good. I'm proud of it. I think it'll be nice, and gives it new life and looks a little bit better. So cut one, and I have a welt now, like a blister from holding that gun so hard because it sucked so much. So there we go. This is my lamp now. It looks great. So yeah, there's my crafting video that was very bad, so I apologize for that. You didn't get much out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry that I wasted your time and your life. Please subscribe if you would like to follow more of my videos. I would love for you guys to be with me and we can go ahead and communicate. If you have any other like at home do-it-yourself type of things, I'd love to hear about it because I'm really into that stuff. So put it in the comments below. I'll be responding as well. Like this video if you like it. If you didn't like it, you're gonna hit that thumbs down button no matter what, so it doesn't matter. Please also go ahead and check out my social media. I'm always on there. So my Instagram, I'm going to try to get a Twitter back. Actually secret, I already have a Twitter. It's just an anonymous Twitter. It's so I can follow celebrities and 2 of my friends, and that's it. Guys, thank you so much. Like I said, subscribe. You are wonderful. You're beautiful. Stay positive and stay happy, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.